A 61 litre capacity in the bottom and a 43 litre capacity in the top gives you a vast amount of space, so you can cook large meals in this AEG double oven effortlessly. SurroundCook circulates hot air throughout the cavity, ensuring that every corner of the oven is heated thoroughly. You can be sure that your cooking is faster and more even, which makes it easy to achieve perfect results. With multifunction cooking, you get a variety of settings from fan cooking, grilling, defrosting and more, allowing you to get creative in the kitchen, whip up a range of different meals completely hassle-free. The catalytic liners absorb grease while you cook, activating when you heat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. This oxidizes the residue, meaning there will be less of a buildup of grease, so you will spend less time cleaning the oven. Make dinner time the best part of the day with this flexible double oven from AEG.